With the Rama consecration coming up, I wanted to create some content around him. I found a small but very unique Rama temple here on the Girivalam path at Tiruvannamalai. It is popular for the huge 3 feet Ramapadams created from a single stone, but this temple also has some very unique murtis. These Ramapadam are created from a single stone, and the Pujari says they are the biggest in all of Tamil Nadu, which I feel is quite possible. Behind the Padam is a small temple built with Rama, Lakshman, Sita and Hanumanji murtis. On the left we can see the large Krishna murti with the flute and a tree canopy over his head. At the bottom there are a couple of cattle showcasing Krishna's flute playing that drew the cattle around him. Next to this murti on the right, we see a two-faced murti which is very intriguing for me. It reminded me of the Greek god Janus, the tricky god that gives sadhakas tough choices to make. But here, this is Agni. Agni Dev is sometimes depicted with 4, 3 or 2 faces. The Pujari said that the 2 faces depicted 2 different directions. But when I researched online, there seemed to be many different explanations about the 2 heads. And I was surprised to see that even Sadhguru has spoken about it. He has said, in this culture, the element of fire is personified as Agni Dev, a 2-faced god who rides on a fiery ram. The 2 faces are symbolic representations of fire as a life giver and a life taker. Without the fire burning within us, there is no life. But if you do not take care, fire can quickly go out of control and consume everything. Next to the Agni Dev Murti is a 5-faced Shivalinga, which makes this temple a Harihara temple, that is a Vishnu temple, but also with Shiva in it. And if you noticed, Nandi has a snake on it, which is also pretty rare. And then to the right side we see Kal Bhairava, but with an elephant Vahana and not the usual dog. The Pujari explains that when Shiva took the Bhairava form, he first had an elephant, and not just any elephant, the Airavata elephant, which is the heavenly elephant pretty much. But later he acquired the dog as the Vahana. When I checked online sources, there are other explanations also available. It seems that there are different forms of the Bhairava deity. One of the forms has an elephant as his Vahana. Next to this Bhairava idol is the Siddhar Bhogar. Not sure why he is here. I didn't ask the Pujari, but it was really interesting to get to know this very unique Rama temple of Tiruvannamalai. I had seen these Ramapadam earlier, but never really explored the temple behind it. The Pujari of this temple was really excited about the Rama consecration ceremony, and he has encouraged everyone to light a lamp wherever we are during the ceremony.